Selena comes back for her first trip of the year.
Come here, girl.
Yeah, let me take a picture.
All right.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
July 10th. And we got the Albies today.
Look at these yellows. You gotta see these yellows, Jay.
Yeah, those first two are yellows.
Those fucking yellows are huge, dude.
Yeah.
35 pounders, watch.
Woo!
Beautiful.
That's what we want to do. That's what we go out there for.
Get out, get out. The captain goes, hey, watch the troll, watch the troll, watch the troll. All of a sudden, bam, it hit. He knew it. He knew it was coming.
And you picked up the two yellowtail first?
Yeah. Same time. Hey,
Caught him trolling on jigs?
hey, good Capitan. Yeah,
All right.
100%.
That's Captain Lucas.
Yeah. Hey, no, he's good. He's good. Look at this shit. God,
Look at that little.
There we go, man. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that. Nice little fat yellow. These guys are happy.
Yeah, a little bit, huh?